Have you ever noticed your WordPress post showing the wrong time or your scheduled content not publishing when it should? Don't worry, today I'll show you exactly how to change your time zone in WordPress quickly, easily, and correctly for 2025. First, open your web browser and head over to your WordPress website. Once it loads, look for the login option, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and on the login screen, choose your preferred method to sign in. If you use Google, simply select Continue with Google and pick the account linked to your site. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and find Settings. Click on Settings and then select General. Inside the General Settings page, scroll down until you see the time zone option. This is where you can adjust your site's clock to match your location. You'll notice two ways to choose your time zone: either by selecting a city in your region, like New York or Dhaka, or by using the UTC offset, such as UTC +6. Choosing a city is often the best option since it automatically adjusts for daylight savings. After you've picked your time zone, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. And that's it. Your WordPress site will now display and schedule posts based on the correct local time. Having the right time zone keeps your posts, comments, and analytics perfectly aligned. So it's a small tweak that makes a big difference. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a like and share it with others who manage WordPress sites. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.